Hi everyone. Welcome to this introductory lecture to Excel, one of the most popular spreadsheet programs used for data analysis and management. My name is Dr. Wendy Pierre. I have more than 20 years of experience in teaching Excel and science courses. I will be your guide and instructor for this lecture. Again, welcome to our course. Hello guys. Welcome to our lecture. Today we are going to talk about order of operation. The order of operations, also known as the precedence of operators, determines the sequence in which mathematical operations are performed in a formula. Adhering to the correct order of operations is crucial to obtaining accurate results in your calculations. The order of operations in Excel follows the standard mathematical conventions. 1. Parentheses. Operations enclosed in parentheses are performed first. Excel evaluates expressions inside parentheses before anything else. Example, equal sign, a 1 plus b1, asterisk c1, 2. Exponents. Exponential operations, raising a number to a power, are performed next. Example, ba1 squared 3. Multiplication and division. Multiplication, asterisk, and division. Operations are performed from left to right. Example, equal sign, a1 asterisk, b1, c1, 4. Addition and subtraction. Addition, plus, and subtraction. Operations are performed from left to right. Example, equal sign, d1 plus e1, f1, 5. Concatenation. When working with text in Excel, the ampersand and AMP is used for concatenation, which is combining text values. Example, equal sign G1 and amp AH1. It's essential to note that Excel formulas automatically follow the order of operations. However, you can use parentheses to override the default order and explicitly define the sequence in which operations should be carried out. For instance, if you want to ensure that addition is performed before multiplication, you can use parentheses to group the addition operation. Example, equal sign, a1 plus b1, asterisk. C1 specifies that the addition operation should be performed before the multiplication. First of all, we will see the parenthesis. Excel will always evaluate expression inside parentheses first. If there are nested parentheses, it means that if there are more than one parenthesis in an equation, then the Excel will first solve the one inside the parenthesis first. So let's see this by an example. For example, here we have a parenthesis and 2, and again we have a parenthesis. Okay, so we have a multiplication sign, and then we have a parenthesis, 1 plus 4, and we are closing this parenthesis and then the other one. So when we enter it, it will give us 10. So what is happening here? It will first of all solve this operation and then multiply the answer with the 2. So this is the nested parenthesis. We are using more than one parenthesis in one equation. So yeah, when there's exponents, Excel will then perform an exponential operation using this sign from left to right. So all Excel will always start from the left. It will first, for example, if we have more than one exponents, then it will first solve the left one. And multiplication and division, Excel will perform any multiplication or division operation. Using this sign, we will use this sign for the multiplication and this sign for the division from left to right. It is also from this left side, addition and subtraction, and it will then solve addition and subtraction operations, and the sign of addition is this. This is to override the default order of operation. You can use parentheses to specify the order in which you want the Excel to evaluate the parts of formula. This is particularly important if your formula contains more than one operator, So here we have an example. For example, we have this formula. We will first write this formula in the Excel. So for example, we have this formula. I'm copying it. Okay, so we have this formula and we are not using the parenthesis here. So when I enter it, what's happening here? It will first solve division operation and then the addition operation. It will just solve this thing first and then add the answer with the 10. But if I will use parentheses, and here, then answer will be 6. What's happening now? It is first adding them both and then dividing the answer with 5. So this is the main function of using the parentheses. So here we are doing the same operation. Excel will first perform the division, this operation, and then the addition, and giving the result 14. However, if you want Excel to perform the addition first, you use the parenthesis to group the addition operation. So this is the operation. So yeah, then it will give us the 6th answer. So this is the order of operation that is similar to the order of operation that we use in mathematics. I hope you guys understand. Please, if there's any questions, don't be hesitated to contact me. Thank you guys for joining us today. I will see you guys in the next lecture.
If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe now for expert tips, tutorials, and tricks to master Excel like a pro. Don't miss out. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe today. And hit the notification bell to be the first one to know when we release a new video. That is the only way you can support our community. May God bless you.